want to talk about that little no flex thing. Yeah, I don't get why he said I got thoughts, well, whatever. He said I'm just saying it in my words. He got thought, I got thoughts. Another thought, but thought. And yeah, I'm like, so, I got a chain for you. Got a chain for you. I don't want those chains. But guess what I say? No flex zone. No flex zone. They know better. They know better. No flex zone. No flex zone. No, they know better. They know better. Okay. I'm going to give you guys one special tip about what you should do all the time when people are complaining, either complaining, talking too much, or arguing. Just pop out with a song. Well, just pop out with no flex zone, and they'll be having the gut face. They'll be like, huh? And then, and if you want to, you can just do that if two people are conversating. Like, the conversating gets boring and you don't want them to conversate anymore. Just pop up in no flex zone. No flex zone. And they'll stop talking immensely. So, yeah. That's my #1 tip for a song today. It's called No Flex Zone. Peace out, people. I got an Instagram now, but I forgot what it's called, so I'll tell you that on the next video. Subscribe, like, comment, whatever. And if this thing will let me do texting, yeah. So, bye. Peace out. It's an arm lock. It's an arm lock. It's an arm lock. It's an arm lock. I know you just wanted to get all show this.
That's already done. You chose to do it.
Okay, that was good. Bye, people. Yeah.